Okay, this is my progress video for my final project. I created a website for Hog Wall Barbecue, and the reason I chose to do a website is to me it's a more interactive way to present the information versus just writing a paper. I think it's more interesting. I think people will find it a little more fun than just reading a paper. Although it's probably going to take me twice as long at least to do this website as it would just to write the paper. But for me, it benefits me as I can use this in my e-portfolio because I'm an IT major. So this will help with that, and as well as fulfill the requirements for the ENG-313. So this is the home page of what I have completed so far, and gives a little history about barbecue, recipes, cooking options, and podcast. Each of these are links. So if you want to go to recipes here, just click on this. These are the options here. Then from here, you actually click on these actual dishes here, and this will actually take you to the actual recipe, which I've not completed that portion of it yet. So right now these are just basically placeholders for the recipes once I get the recipe portion completed with all the steps included with each recipe, and there'll be images that will accompany each recipe as well. So then you have cooking options. This is another section I haven't completed yet, but this will be like using charcoal to cook the food or to smoke, use wood or propane, and the different ways you use each of those methods to make barbecue. There's a list of podcasts. And this is all basically targeted towards beginners that don't really have much experience in barbecue. So this is just another option for them as a resource to find out more information, from the professionals, how they do it, and similar tips and secrets and techniques. Here's a contact page. It just lists the address of the restaurant, and so forth. Directions, if you want directions. So after the directions, there's the phone number if you want to make a phone call. Then there's the email if you want to click the email. Then down at the bottom of each of the pages, I have links to link back to the other pages on the website. So that's what I have so far. Thank you.